Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix your stream key and OBS. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To fix issues related to your stream key and OBS, follow these general steps to ensure your stream key is correctly configured. Now, double check that you have the correct stream key for a streaming platform, for example, YouTube. Stream keys are unique to each platform and need to be copied correctly. Now, let's go to our OBS, then go to Settings. In OBS Settings window, click on the Stream and the left sidebar. Now, in the stream key, here, paste the correct stream key for a streaming platform. If you suspect your stream key has changed or is incorrect, update it with a new key provided by your stream platform. To do that, go back to the YouTube, just click on Reset, click on Reset again, and just wait for a moment and hit Copy, go back to OBS, then hit on Backspace and hit on Ctrl V to paste the stream key. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Another method, close OBS completely, then reopen it. To ensure the new stream key settings take effect, start your streaming session in OBS to test if the stream key is working by clicking Start Streaming. Check if your stream is successfully connecting to your streaming platform without any issues. Double check the settings in your streaming platform to ensure that the stream key matches what is configured in OBS. Now, if you continue to experience issues with your stream key, consider reaching out to the support team of your streaming platform for further assistance or an OBS. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues related to your stream key on OBS and successfully stream to your chosen platform. Always keep your stream key secured and avoid sharing it publicly to prevent unauthorized access to your streaming account. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.